Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the MelodySusie Polygel, y'all. Yes, they have polygel. And so here's the instruction manual, of course, showing you how to do it. And then you get your top and base coat. I do have 10% off. That coupon code will be down below. You get a slip solution. This kit is $39.99 on the MelodySusie website. And you get, I believe, 6 polygels in 15 ml tubes. Or, I'm sorry, 15 gram tubes. My bad. So I just show you them right there. And then underneath the kit, you also get your dual forms and your brush. And, of course, your file, hand file. And then this is the transfer foil. Really cute. Comes with the, I'm showing you guys the ingredients, but it comes with 2 nail foil glues, just like the Burano company. Really cool. Shows you how to do it and everything. Some really nice foils. A lot of florals. And then you get a lot of like colored foils. So here are the 2 foil glues, and you do cure them for 30 seconds. And right here I was just looking because it felt like it was empty, but it wasn't. It was full. Okay, so here's the foils. They're so pretty. And I wanted to pick one that really called out fall. And so you'll see which one I pick. And then I was going to use one of these, but we'll wait. And we'll use those at a later date. But this foil kit was $14.99. We're also using the XXL Square by Eno Couture. Here are the swatches from my left, well, your left to my right. And I show them in order in just a minute. So right here you have the orchid, you have the nude pink, the light pink, the white, the clear, and the natural pink. Some beautiful colors. So I've got my slip solution in the butterfly. I'm going to put on my base coat. I was showing the directions. It says shake gently, but you don't want to ever shake gel polish, guys. You always want to roll it in between your hands. Never ever shake. Alright, so apply your gel polish, of course, you guys know, from cuticle to free edge. And then you're going to cure that for 30 seconds in an LED UV light. And I am using my Eno Couture light. Alright, so this is what we're doing. We're doing an elongated nail bed with the nude color. I'm going to use the primer to prime the inside of the nail tips. Don't forget, guys, you need to prep your nails. I did not show that in this video. Dehydrate and then prime your nails and then put on a base. And then, of course, prep the inside of these nail tips before you add any product, or you're going to definitely have lifting, especially if you're using polygel. You can even prime the whole underside of the nail if you're going to put the polygel all the way up the nail. It's not going to hurt anything. So right here, I'm just showing you, you put it on very thin. Don't want it too thick or it's going to squish out. I actually had this problem with this entire set. I had the polygel squish out almost on every single nail that I did. It was ridiculous. But I do show you how I removed that. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys watch this part, and I shall return in a minute. Enjoy it. Alright, so I'm applying the last nail. We're going to cure, and now we're going to do a full cure. Alright, now this is how I got some of the polygel removed from the outside where it had squished out. I'm just taking cuticle nippers and nipping that away. As you can see, it comes right off. Not all of it, but some of it. And later on, I'm going to go in with Efile Couture's diamond cuticle bit from their Russian manicure bits and remove the rest of it. But you can pretty much get it all with this, with the nippers. You just got to be very careful not to nip your skin. Alright, and also we're using the MelodySusie dust collector and the MelodySusie Efile. I love their Efile, guys. And the dust collector has worked miracles. Okay, so right here you see me going around the sidewall and cuticle area just to clean it up a bit and get any of the excess bulk that kind of squished out. This works fabulous. And then I also roughen up around the cuticle and sidewall area as well. And this is just another way to do a really cute nail bed, very fast, very easy. So you don't have all the filing to do. I know that can be a headache, especially when you're doing acrylics or when you're doing gel in particular with paper forms or building it on top of the nail or on top of a tip, I mean. It can be a pain. So the 1, 2, 3 goes, the apres, the dupes, everything. They're absolutely amazing. They change their life. They're definitely a game changer. I will tell you that. I just thoroughly enjoy it. It makes my life and my job a lot easier. Alright, so I think I'm going to finish up here with this bit. And then I believe I go in with my sanding band just to buff the surface shine off of the nail and straighten up the edges a little bit. And then off camera I do hand file them. And I also get around the cuticle and sidewalls again with this bit with the sanding band, but you got to be very careful, guys. You don't want to cut your cuticle with the sanding band because it hurts. So only experienced people that know what they're doing with an Efile. And I actually got a lot more of that stuff off using the sanding band. Now I'm going to go in with these nail what are they called? You know, the nail tip. Y'all know what I'm saying. Those stickers that you can make like a French manicure with. I'm going in with them around the polygel, the nail bed, my bad. I'm going just below the nail bed on every single nail, and we're going to put the foil from that sticker up to the tip of the nail. And this worked out so good. Look at how much foil you get. That's a lot of foil. I was very impressed. And this stuff worked amazing. And see, I was rolling it to kind of shake it up because it says to do so before you use it. Alright, so you just apply a thin layer of that on all 5 nails, all 10 nails, whatever you're doing. And then you're going to give it a 30-second cure. I take the foil, and at first I was going to use my finger, but then I was like, nah, let me just grab a silicone tool. It works way better. So yeah, there you go. The silicone tools are a lifesaver for foils. It rubs it in really nicely. And guys, when you use this foil glue transfer from MelodySusie or Burano or whoever, it doesn't, you don't see a lot of wrinkles. I mean, it works so good. It transfers amazing. And it only takes a second. All you do is just rub it right in and voila. See? Poof. I love it. I freaking love it. Alright, so now we're going to take off those little pesky stickers. And you see it makes a really nice C curve, like a very nice line to divide your nail bed and your tip. It just makes it look really nice. Alright guys, so now I have these gold rhinestones. We're going to use the McCart glue gel. This stuff works amazing for stones. And what I do is I just put the stones next to the cuticle area on all 5 nails. I do a flash cure in between. And then we're going to top coat with the MelodySusie No Wipe Top Coat. Alright, here we go with the Top It Off by MelodySusie. And let me tell you, that stuff is very shiny. It's so pretty. It's a very, very nice top coat. I don't know if you can buy that individually. You might be able to. Just go over to www.melodysusie.com and see if they have the top and base separately. And don't forget to use the 10% off coupon code. It will be in the description along with everything else I used in the video. So, like I said, doing the underside. There was a little dust left over that I couldn't get. I think it was like stuck in there by some gel. And that's it. We're going to go in with Cafe Nails by Gina cuticle oil. And that is www.cafenailproducts.com. And just rub that in. And you're ready to take some pictures, baby. I think this set turned out cute. So cute. And I think it's very fitting for fall. I go slow-mo right here, guys, just to show you how adorable. I really think this set turned out nice. Please give me a big thumbs up if you think it's cute. Or if you would wear this for fall. Give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Definitely, guys, don't forget to go check out www.melodysusie.com. I was so shocked that they came out with the polygel kit and the foils, guys, because for a long time it was just Efiles. So yeah, definitely go check them out. Thank you guys for coming. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.